Hello, coming in today. I wanted to make this video because I've seen a distinct lack of just anyone like on the internet talking about actually owning this, and I wanted to say that it's pretty good. I was doing research trying to find out if I should buy this bench or not, and there was just like one video on all of YouTube. So here's this. This is the Titan Performance Series adjustable bench. It's like $210, I think, right now, just about that. I was looking for a bench, basement gym, look around here. I didn't want to spend $500. I don't know why every bench is $500 now. It's kind of crazy. This is the only one, and like there's the rep one too that's like decent value, and there's some weird brand like knockoff one that people are saying is pretty decent for like 200 something dollars. But there's this. Comments were okay. Some people were saying it's sketchy. This is great. Like this is genuinely a very good bench once I put it together. It's low. The pad is fat. It's like 12.5 inches. I'm sure you've seen it. I'm sure you've looked at all the specifications. So I'm not gonna like measure everything out. It's not that kind of video, but this is just to confirm that this is indeed pretty solid, I think, in my opinion. Some things to note. Yeah, it's Titan. So the biggest complaints I've seen about it is that the quality control isn't great sometimes, and we're like stuff's getting damaged, which I'll talk about in a second, and that it's not the most stable out of all things, but I think it really is. It kind of comes down to stability, I think, to when you put it together. I'll get a little closer here. When you put it together, which took me less than an hour, by the way, there are these two bolts that connect the top of the bench actually and the seat pad. Like they rotate from this point. If you have any wobble in this at all, just crank the shit out of this down like a lot, like that piece there, and it will really get rid of most of it. Like I had a teeny bit, I noticed it when I set it up like in an incline position, it'd be going a touch wobbly, but now this thing is for real, like rock solid. Like I'm holding like on the foot plates here, so ready? I have my foot on it, like see what I mean? Like this, there's no wobble in there. I put it incline, like in the incline position, solid as hell still. You know what I mean? Like I don't even think it's that bad if it goes a little bit, but if you hate the little wobble, crank this shit out of that, and I think it's good. That's like the biggest issue people were saying with it online, but that's great. I'm loving this thing. I'm feeling stable as hell on it. Pad's fat. It's a good height. Like this is the best bench setup ever. Now I have it in my basement, and it was like $200. So yeah, for a way less than $500 bench, that's the move. I've benched like not a ton. I weigh like just about 200, and I benched like close to 250 on it. So that's like 450 pounds, and I felt so stable. So I don't know. I feel like if you're benching less than like 4 plates and you're and you aren't like a 300-pound gigantic human, I think you'll feel completely safe on this at all times. Just crank the shit out of the bolts, like I said, when you put it together, which is not that bad. It took me less than an hour or two. Packaging was pretty solid out of the box, everything. Like it was not difficult to put together. Instructions were pretty straightforward. Everything was like nicely put together well. Little things, again, $200. So out of the box, there was, if you can tell, like a little blemish in the paint here. I think a little one here. I think there's one more spot too, but like whatever. Do you know what I mean? In my opinion, this is the total home gym bench. Like this is just like so function over form. Like that's exactly what you want. Like structurally, this is a great, awesome bench. Like it even like looks pretty good besides those little things. Like the pad looks good, texture's awesome, and everything little about it. I would recommend this highly. But yeah, my opinion, I'd recommend it. I just wanted to make this as I guess the second person on the entire video internet that's talking about it, so you can actually see it from a person who's bought this and benching on it and using it and actually enjoying it. So yeah, go ahead, get this. Don't spend, I mean, you could probably spend 500 to get a probably better bench that's a little more meat to it, but whatever. If you have $200 to spend and you need a bench, this one's really good.